Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. Let's get into these coins because there's some opportunity here and I want to go through these ones, so stick around. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. Thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. It's literally exploded. I can't even barely keep up. It's going that fast. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're new, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and turn on that little bell notification because I love documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, all kinds of passive income ideas and real estate. Love talking with every single one of you about it. And building financial freedom for the future. That's my goal with this channel and documenting my journey with all of this stuff. Little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do these videos for fun, so please do your own research and due diligence, and using websites like Masari.io, Coinspot, CoinMarketCap, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. Jump on Google, do your own research with all these sites, and that will really help you when it comes time to make your own investing decision and whenever you're ready to invest in any of these projects. But please be very careful. This stuff is extremely volatile. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt because it's crazy out there, so be careful. So I'm just going to get into today's video. It's not going to be too long. I'm just going to get into some projects which I believe are good value at the moment, and which I have personally invested in, and just because of their low prices at the moment, and just bearing in mind that I'm holding these projects for long term. I'm not going to expect to be a millionaire overnight. Would be nice, but it's I'm not expecting to be a millionaire, but I believe these projects have some good value. So let's get into it quickly. Reef is one that I'm going to talk about now. I did buy this on Coinspot when I first started using it. This is one that I jumped in, so it's sitting at 4 cents AUD. I know some people out there want to see the coin in USD, but it's just a nightmare to change. But I believe it's around 5 cents USD. Oh, sorry, 3 cents USD. Sorry, so there's a bit of a conversion. Anyway, so in the hour it's down 1.59%. In the last 24 hours, it is down 2%. In the last 7 days, it's down 28%. 30 days, it is up 0.22%. In the last 90 days, it's down 13%, but I believe it's a good buy. Market cap is sitting at $596 million. Circulating is 12.6 billion Reef, and total supply is 15.9 billion Reef. Total 24-hour volume is $149 million. Quickly, I'll just read what is Reef. Reef is a DeFi platform built on a Polkadot that aims to deliver cross-chain trading, a yield engine, and a smart liquidity aggregator among the project's offerings. Work began on the project in the second half of 2020, so it's a relatively new project, which is, it's got a lot of time to grow. Those behind Reef argue that the process of trading, lending, and staking crypto is currently fragmented, creating a painful experience for all of its participants. Reef aggregates liquidity and provides automation. It also aims to address the drawbacks associated with existing trading platforms. While centralized exchanges are prone to security breaches, decentralized rivals can lack liquidity and are often difficult to use. And obviously it goes on to show you who the founders are of Reef, and I believe Reef is a good project to invest in as well. They've obviously got all their website here. Let me pull that up, sorry, just so you can see it. I'm not going to read it all because it just takes too long, but there's their website here, reef.finance. Check that out. Jump on their website, have a look at what this actually does. Obviously, every project here is relatively new, so they've got a long way to go, but Reef is one that I'm interested in as well. Let's have a look at the next one quickly. HOT, where are you here? Holo Chain, sitting at 1 cent today. On the last hour, it is down 2.23%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 3%. In the last 7 days, it is down 19.94%. In the last 30 days, it is down 35%, but it's sitting at 1 cent, so it's like a penny stock. Anyway, so let's go here. 2.4 billion in market cap here, $209 million in 24-hour trading volume. Circulating is 172 billion tokens, and that's the total supply of 177 billion as well. What is Holo? HOT. Holo is a peer-to-peer distribution platform for hosting decentralized applications built using the Holo Chain, a framework for developing dApps that does not require the use of blockchain technology. The goal of Holo is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet apps built using Holo Chain, offering an ecosystem and marketplace which dApps are easily accessible as they are hosted on the internet by Holo network participants. So there's a whole range of information here. Holo was founded by Arthur Brock and Eric Harris Braun. So CEOs again. Jump on the online websites, look up who these CEOs are in detail if you feel like that. But Holo is one that I'm invested in as well at 1 cent. Let's have a look here. BTT is another one as well. BitTorrent. This is a really old project, by the way, sitting at 0.006, so it's under a penny. In the last hour, let's have a look here. It is down 1.97%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 3%. In the last 7 days, wait for it to load, 24%. 30 days, it is down 31.6%. In the last 90 days, it is up 332%. So that's just crazy. All right, so let's have a look here. Market cap sitting at $4.5 billion. Trading volume is 578 million. Circulating is 659 billion BTT. Total supply is 990 BTT. So here, BitTorrent is a popular peer-to-peer file sharing torrent platform, which has become increasingly decentralized in recent years. Originally released in July 2001. So that is a very old project and it's still going. But BTT is one that I'm invested in. They do have a website again. Here we go, BitTorrent.com. Whole range of information here in white paper, so I'm not going to get into all that, but BTT is one that I'm invested in as well. Let's have a look at the next one. Wink Coin, here we go here. This is like online gambling and stuff like that, so this is all online gaming sort of based stuff here. It's below a penny as well, sitting at 0.0010. 1 hour trading, it's down 2.6%. 24 hours is down 5.37. 7 days, it is down 29%. 30 days, 25%. 90 days, it is up 243%. I'm seeing that quite a lot amongst these coins as well. In the last 90 days, everything's up because of the bull market. Market cap is sitting at $333 million. Trading volume is 82 million. Circulating supply is 313 billion. Total supply is 994 billion tokens. So let's have a look here quickly. The first Tron ecosystem comprehensive oracle, WinLink fully integrates as a into the real world with the blockchain space, will be able to provide reliable, unpredictable, and verifiable random numbers and fully restore trust and improve user experience by tapping into the data, events, payment systems for real world. The Wink team completed acquisition of justlink.io on April 26, 2021, and WinLink becomes the first Tron-based ecosystem comprehensive oracle. Win, a Tron-based TRC20 token, will be the governance token of WinLink Oracle Network. Up to now, Win has been listed on Binance, KuCoin, Poloniex, BitHum, HitBTC, WizardX, and many other well-known international exchanges. Right, so they do have their website up here as well. As I jumped on this before and it just crashed, but there's a whole heap of gaming stuff here. Let's just wait for it to load. I hate how this stuff does this. Let's wait here. So wink.org. I'll have a sip of coffee while I'm waiting for this to load. There you go. So you can see there's a lot of gaming stuff here, like casinos, poker, all that stuff you see in the casino floor. But anyway, so that's Win. Let's move on to the next one quickly. SiaCoin. This is one I'm invested in as well, sitting at 3 cents AUD, which is around 2 cents USD. In the last hour, it is down 2%. 24 hours. Wait for this to refresh. Nope, 0.8%. 31% in the last 7 days. 30 days, it is down 40%. In the last 90 days, it is up 104%, so that's good to see as well. Market cap $1.6 billion. Trading volume in the last 24 hours is 125 million. Circulating is 47.81 billion, and total supply is the same, 47.81 billion. So they're all in circulation. So SiaCoin is a native utility token. Sia, a blockchain-based distributed decentralized cloud storage platform, which is great to see as well. We all need cloud storage. Sia acts as a secure, trustless marketplace for cloud storage, in which users can lease access to the unused storage space. Agreements and transactions are enforced with smart contracts, and SiaCoin is a medium of exchange for paying for storage on a network. The main goal of the project is to become the backbone storage layer of the internet. So really big prospects here, and still a lot of room for growth as well. They do have their website up here, and I'll get into this quickly so you can see that. They've got their vision on here, and my phone's having a moment here. So you've got everything here, all the information here, storage capacity, storage providers, and usage storage downloads. There's a whole range of information here. Jump on their website, Sia Tech. So check that out. Let's have a look here at the next one, ANKR. Let's have a look here. Where are we? I just passed it. There we are. Sitting at 20 cents today, AUD, which is right about 15 cents USD, I believe. So in the last hour, it is up 0.35%. 24 hours, it is up 16.59%. 7 days, it is down 3%. 30 days, let's have a look, 1.87%. 90 days, it is up 459%. That is insane. All right, let's have a look at the market cap, $1.4 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 368 million. Circulating is 6.996 billion ANKR. Total supply is 10 billion, so that's a huge amount. ANKR originates as a solution that utilizes shared resources in order to provide easy and affordable blockchain node hosting solutions. It was founded in November 2017, so it's got a long history. And during this time on the market, it has built a marketplace for container-based cloud services through the usage of shared resources. So there's a whole heap of information here. Who was the founders, which is great. Keep going through all of this stuff on CoinMarketCap. Is a really good utility as well. Let's have a look at their website quickly because I want to get through all these coins. So I've got a few to go. ANKR, there's their website, whole information here. And if you scroll all the way down, it's got all the information here, the products, the community, and their white paper as well, which everyone should read as well. Let's move on to the next coin, ANKR. I've got VET, is another good one as well, which I discussed in the last video as well. Sitting at 20 cents AUD today. In the last hour, it is down 2%. 24 hours, it is down. Wait for it to load because it has a moment here. It's down 2% as well. 7 days, it is down 27%. In 30 days, it is down 33%. In the last 90 days, 190% it is up. So that is a positive sign as well. It hasn't dropped below when it's, started the bull run, basically. Let's have a look here. Market cap sitting at $13 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.8 billion. Circulating is 64 billion. Total supply is 86 billion. And what is Vechain? Well, I discussed that in the last video, but I'll talk about it just quickly here. Vechain is a blockchain-powered supply chain platform, began in 2015 and launched in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things technology to create an ecosystem which solves the major problems with supply chain management. So this has got a lot to do with businesses and how they operate their supply chains. It's got a real-world use here. Obviously, it's still new and it's got a long way to go, but here's their website here. And again, many countries, stuff like that. They've got their team members here, which is really good to see. I like this, how they show their faces of the team as well. So that's very important. And they've obviously got some serious partners here with financiers and investors, and their milestones here on their website. So Vechain is one to check out as well. That's what I'm invested in. Let's have a look here. What else have we got? We've got DigiByte. I only got 2 more, so stick around. DigiByte is another one that I'm invested in. Sitting at 13 cents today. On the hour, it is down 4.26%. 24 hours, 1.7%. 7 days, it is down 24%. 30 days, it is down 24%. In the last 90 days, it is up 35%. So it hasn't really moved much, but 13 cents be around about 11 cents USD. So let's have a look here. Market cap is sitting at $1.9 billion, which is great. Getting up there. The 24-hour volume is 89 million. Circulating is 14 billion tokens, and total supply is 14.3 billion tokens. What is DigiByte? DigiByte is an open source blockchain and asset creation platform. The development began in October 2013, so again a long-lasting project here. And Genesis block of its DigiByte token was mined in January 2014 as a fork of Bitcoin. So a long-lasting public blockchain and cryptocurrency. Obviously, DigiByte uses 5 different algorithms to improve security, and originally aimed to improve on the Bitcoin blockchain security, capacity, and transaction speed. So let's jump on their website, have a look at this. I did pull it up here. If it wants to, where are we? Things change all the time on this phone, I'll tell you. Let's have a look here, and I'll scroll down here to get onto their website. Websites, digibyte.org. Let's have a look at this. Here we go. Let's wait for it to load, digibyte.org. Okay, so there's the website. You can have a look at their white paper. They've got obviously an app as well here. Let's go down here. They've got a whole information on what the project is, and obviously their white paper and their really good information on their website as well. So let's jump out of here and let's jump into the next AKRO, Akropolis. I love the name Akropolis, just saying quickly. Sitting at 4 cents AUD today. In the last hour, it's down 4%. 24 hours, it is down 7.7%. 7 days, 31%. 30 days, 35% down, and the last 90 days is 23% down. Let's have a look here. Market cap sitting at 135 million, circulating 2.9 billion. In total supply is 4 billion as well, and trading volume is $18.261 million. Akropolis is a company that operates on the Ethereum-based decentralized finance protocol that seeks to provide an autonomous financial ecosystem for saving and growing wealth, which is great, including through borrowing and lending. To do so is it offers a series of products including Akropolis OS, a framework for developing for-profit decentralized autonomous organizations, Sparta, a platform for uncollateralized lending, and Delphi, a yield farming aggregator and tool for dollar cost averaging. So Akropolis is one that I'm invested in as well, and I did have their website up here. They've got a great looking website, by the way, so they check that out. There's a whole heap of stuff in here in terms of their roadmap as well. Their white paper is on here as well, and they've got obviously featured in all these major news outlets, which is great. So this is one that I'm invested in as well. Let's move on to the last one, which is Tel Coin. And this one I believe has the most real world use out of all of them because it involves payment systems using your mobile phone, which everyone has these days. So in the last hour, it is down 4.81%. In the last 24 hours, it is up 7%. 7 days, it is down 24%. Let's have a look at 30 days, up 458%, and in the last 90 days, well, 1,000%. That is insane. So 5 cents, which I believe is around 3.5 to 4 cents USD. Just got to check the conversion, sorry. Market cap sitting at 2.7 billion. Total circulating supply at the moment is 51 billion, and total supply is 100 billion. Tel Coin, and the trading volume in the last 24 hours has been 120 million. This coin got listed on Coinspot not long ago, and I jumped on it at a good price, and I think it's got some real world use here. So we'll just quickly have a look here. Tel Coin is an Ethereum-based decentralized crypto established in 2017 in Singapore, and to bridge between cryptos, blockchain, and telecommunications industry. The project aims to partner with leading names in the telecoms industry like Verizon, everyone knows who they are in the US, and AT&T to remove all the hassle that exists between billing platforms and mobile money. The main focus of Tel Coin is the remittance market, where Western Union is the current leader. Tel Coin is partnering with global telecoms and mobile money platforms to provide users with high-speed, low-cost digital remittances to mobile money platforms and e-wallets. So that's insane. I mean, that's got real-world use here. Let's have a quick look at their website. Tel Coin here. Send money smarter. They've got apps. So I mean, it's legit. They've got a whole heap of apps at the moment. They're already using this coin as a form of online payments using your mobile phone, instant transfers, most affordable, mobile convenience, powerful and secure network. You can, again, there's their apps here, and there's a white paper here, obviously. Incentivized adoption, flexible telecom API. These are all their partners and the community. They've got a blog. They've got all this information here, and check that out. Telcoin is one that I'm invested in as well. So that's it. That's all the coins below $1 that I'm invested in, and you can see all my coins that are on my watch list at the moment. So these are the ones I'm invested in. Shiba Inu I love as well, so let's see what happens with that. And whole heap of coins here: NFT Art Finance, Elongate, Bonfire, Safe Mars, Moonshot, Akropolis, ETN, Ecomi, SafeMoon, WinLink, VThought, Reef, ANKR, SiaCoin, DigiByte, Theta Fuel, Holo, Tel Coin, BitTorrent, Shiba Inu, Tron, Theta, Vechain, Stellar, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano. They're the ones that I've got. So there's a lot to keep up with. There's a whole range of stuff I've got to watch every day in the news, and I enjoy it and I love it, but I love sharing this stuff with you. So check out those coins if you're interested. Just wanted to show you what I'm invested in with all of this stuff. So stick around for this long in the video. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And leave your comments below what you think of these projects, and if you're invested in these and any other new projects as well. So thanks very much for sticking around, and hopefully it gave you some insight into what I'm invested in. And do your own research with all this stuff because it's very risky. All right, so be careful, happy investing, and I'll put up a video towards the end of the week also about my dividends because I missed them as well. All right, so stick around. Thanks very much. I appreciate it. Bye.